Your plant is dying and you don't know why. In 5 minutes, you will. Because here's the problem with most plant advice, it starts from the symptom. And almost every symptom a houseplant can show looks like every other one. Yellow leaves, drooping, brown edges. Those tell you almost nothing on their own. So we're not going to start there. We're going to work through it in order. 6 checks. Each one rules something in or out. Do them with me on your own plant. Check 1, the soil. Not the leaves, the soil. And not the surface either. Push a finger in up to the second knuckle, or lift the pot and feel the weight. Weight is the honest signal. A dry pot is startlingly light once you felt one. Now, if that soil is wet and your plant is wilting, stop. Don't water it. Because a wilting plant in wet soil is not thirsty. It's suffocating. Roots don't only drink water. They breathe, using the air trapped between soil particles. Water fills those air pockets, the fine roots die, and dead roots can't absorb anything. So the plant wilts while standing in water. It's drought, caused by too much water. This is the single most common way houseplants die, and the instinct makes it worse. If the soil is dry instead, that's the easy case. Water it properly and watch. Properly means until it runs out the bottom, unless water races straight through. Dry mix shrinks away from the pot wall, and water escapes down that gap. The root ball in the middle stays bone dry while the saucer fills. The fix is to stand the pot in water for half an hour and let it drink from below. Check 2, and this is the one people avoid, take the plant out of its pot. It feels drastic. It isn't. Healthy roots don't mind, and roots don't lie. Healthy roots are pale and firm. Rotten roots are brown, soft, and smell sour. If they're mush, cut every soft root away with clean blades and repot in fresh mix. If instead they're circling in a tight spiral with no soil left, it's simply outgrown the pot. Cut through the circling roots, then move up 1 pot size. 1, not 3. An oversized pot holds more water than the roots can drink, which starts this all over again. Check 3, white. And your eyes are genuinely bad at this. Your pupils adjust automatically, so almost any corner feels bright enough to you. A sunny windowsill is around 5 to 10,000 lux. Step 3 paces back from that glass and you can lose half of it. 2 meters into the room it often falls under 100. That's a dark room, to a plant. A free light meter app settles this in 10 seconds. Most mystery decline is this. Check 4, pests. Turn the leaves over, because nothing sits where you're looking. Fine webbing where the leaf meets the stem, and a pale stippled look, means spider mites. White cotton wedged into the crevices is mealybugs, not mold. Brown bumps that scrape off the stem are scale insects, and they're alive. Sticky leaves under any of them means they're feeding right now. And if new growth comes out twisted and puckered, that's thrips. Check the soil too. Check 5, where the plant actually sits. 2 things happen fast here. Leaves touching cold window glass overnight can blacken without any frost at all. Tropical plants take damage below about 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. In university trials on peace lilies, 3 degrees caused injury within 24 hours. The opposite failure is bleached white patches on the side facing the window. That's sunburn, and that leaf will never recover, though the plant usually does. Check 6 is the one nobody wants, deciding whether it's worth continuing. Scrape a short line in the stem with a clean blade and look underneath. Green or pale yellow and moist means it's still conducting. Keep going. Brown and dry means that stem is finished, whatever the leaves are doing. And if nearly every root is black and soft, the plant isn't coming back. But check the top before you bin it. One firm node is enough to take a cutting. You don't have to save the plant to keep the plant. Run those 6 checks in order and you'll almost always land on the real cause.